how to transfer money from Trust to Cash App. Here's what we want to do. Click on your profile icon found in the top right corner and then go into linked banks here. Now we will choose link debit card, and if you have a Trust debit card, you can write the debit card number here, the expiration date and the CVV, which can be found at the back of your Trust card. If you don't, we will choose no card. Now here, what this is going to do instead is give us some different banking options. So if we click on continue, it's going to show us all of these different banking institutions, and we can search for Trust. You can find your bank right here, or I'll just type Trust Bank directly, and it's going to show us this Trust Bank Arizona and Illinois. Once we click on it, we can log in with our account here, and what this is going to do is essentially connect Trust Bank with our Cash App. Now if we want to transfer money from our Cash App or from Trust to Cash App, what we're gonna do is just go all the way back and click on the banking icon here in the bottom left. Now choose add cash, and you can choose from these pre-selected amounts, or if you want to choose a custom amount, you click on the three dots here, type the amount itself and select add. And if you have successfully connected Trust Bank to Cash App, this is going to take the money from Trust Bank and import it into your Cash App account. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.